Good morning everyone, I hope you're okay. Though, in Norwich it has snowed a lot. Ta-da! So this morning I had to go and get my eyes tested because I'm actually learning to drive, as we all know. Woo! Basically I can't see things that are quite far away. So I just bought myself a new pair of glasses and I've spent far too much money on them because if I'm going to wear glasses I want to look good. Instead of getting the normal regular crappy brand, my head goes, ooh, Calvin Klein, I'll have that. I have to wait a week until they get sorted. They got to make my glass lenses. Well, I've got the lenses, they need to make the glass, which is, yeah, extortionate amount of money. But if I'm going to learn to drive, I'm going to need them. I don't want to fail my test because of some stupid eyesight problem. I'm now going home to just chill out for a bit, wait for my mum and dad because they're going to be in the city later. And yeah, I'm going to have coffee, I'm going to chill, and then I'm going to take the dogs out later and we're going to play in the snow and hopefully build a snowman. I need to get some gloves first because it's far too cold to even attempt to pick up snow. So I have to say, these are always my favourite two companions to hang out with. Little Jessie Leanie, their little frisbee that's got loads of snow on it, and Kyra sniffing away. Love them, literally my favourite two little people. Well, they're dogs, but you know. Look at Jessie with her little snowy frisbee. Yeah, I see you. When I first started dating Aaron, we used to walk down this alleyway all the time. Well, it's kind of footpath, it's not an alleyway. But when all the lights are out, it's like really creepy and like looks like a place that you could get stabbed and murder. So it's called nicknamed Rape Alley. Classy, ladies, classy. Kyra. Kyra. Come on. Here she comes. Here she comes, silly girl. Here's the silly girl. Ooh, Jessie is gonna run. Steady. Get out. Oh. Ready? 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 Go! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! It's really nice to see Kyra play because she doesn't often get to play. That's because, you know, she's old, bless her little legs. But I think she just likes to chase Jessie, to be honest, to stop her. What snow you got on that still, look. Winter Wonderland, in the snow, by the fire. Norwich has Winter Wonderland, everyone. It's crazy. Thickest snow ever. Jessie and Kyra's covered. Love it, love it. Oh, that's a pretty picture, hold on. I always wanted to videotape on a bike coming through here. So amazing. That's what we had over us. All that red cloud. It's not incredible. Guess what we're doing? We're going to build a snowman. On a roundabout. There's the target. How the hell do they know it's going to be powdery? Ollie, it's not going to happen. It's really cold. Ah. Oh, that's a shame. This won't stick together, will it? No, it doesn't, does it? No, let's do that. It just falls. No, it's not gonna happen.
That's whack solid. I don't know if I'm going to be able to.
Snow angel. Oh. How do I do it? Oh yeah. Is it working?
Yeah. Lift your arms up higher.
My snow angel.
That's quite cool.
Hey, double snow angels. We made double snow angels. Couple goals.